welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be on this look right here. I have never created such look in my life with bindi and all those jewelry. This is way too much for me, but I think ये बहुत ही अच्छा turn out हुआ है. So this look is inspired by Jacqueline Fernandez from her new song which is called Genda Phool, and it's an amazing song and she is looking gorgeous in that song. She is supporting 3 looks and ये वाला बंगाली look तो था वो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. So I thought of recreating it and I think मैंने काफी अच्छी जॉब किया है. Her face is looking very natural, very matte and उनका eye makeup भी बहुत ही mauve tone सा है, pinkish tone सा है. So I try to recreate it. In no way I am comparing myself with her. I mean, she's gorgeous, she's beautiful. We all are beautiful and we all are gorgeous, but she is just there, you know, she's very gorgeous. So in this video I am gonna be creating this look. I am wearing my bhabhi sari and I am feeling very weird because I have never worn a silk ki sari, you know. So this is what I have created, and if you guys are interested in, please keep on watching. But before that, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And now let's get started. Okay guys, so I am done with my skin prep. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से अपनी skin को moisturize कर लिया है. So for primer, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Master Prime Primer for redness control. As you can see, I have a guest on my face right now.
बच्चा चलो मेहमान से मिलो.
The situation is very bad and I was planning to make my skincare routine and this happened and this happened. It sucks. So just gonna rub it against my fingers and gonna just apply this on my problem areas. So I'm gonna apply a green corrector on this area just to kind of color correct a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much, क्योंकि अगर जब color corrector foundation में mix होता है तो वो green और ashy सा हो जाता है. So just a little bit. So I'm just gonna tap it in. Next I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. मेरे skin tone से थोड़ा सा dark है. I'm gonna apply this under my eye and on my acne spots. So I'm gonna take a very tiny blending brush and I'm gonna blend out this concealer. Then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just gonna blend it a little bit more ताकि जो भी extra product है वो pick up हो जाए. Alright, now it's time for the foundation, and after a very long time I am gonna apply my favorite foundation, which is this PAC Cosmetics foundation. I'm using it after very long, बहुत time बाद मैं इसको use कर रही हूँ and I used to love this foundation. So I'm gonna take this much amount and gonna dot this foundation on my face. So I'm gonna highlight my face with this Flower Beauty concealer. Even though Jacqueline का makeup matte है, but बहुत ही beautifully contour और highlight किया हुआ है. So that's why I'm gonna contour and highlight my face now. So I'm gonna set my face with this PAC Studio Finish powder and I'm in the shade 01. So now I'm gonna take this Sugar Cosmetics contour powder and this is in the shade 01. So I'm gonna of course chisel out my cheeks because her cheeks are just, her face is so structured and so beautiful. So I'm gonna just contour my face. So she has a very beautiful mauve tone blusher. So I'm gonna take this color bar Rosy Peach. This is a very nice blusher. So the blusher will subdue a little bit, थोड़े टाइम में settle हो जाएगा स्किन के साथ. तब तक I'm gonna contour my nose क्योंकि मेरी nose बहुत ही मोटी है. Okay guys, so I think she does not have any highlighter on her face, but still I'm gonna apply a very little amount of it because we all love highlighter. I love highlighter. So I'm gonna use this Sugar Cosmetics ki. This is the Contour the Force highlighter palette, and it has 3 shades. So I'm gonna choose the middle one. So it will add a beautiful subtle glow on my face. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows and I'll be right back. For eye makeup, she has a very gorgeous pinkish eye makeup. So first I'm gonna apply this color as my transition, and I'm gonna deepen up my crease with this pink. So first I'm gonna pick up this color. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna apply this in my crease. I'm gonna blend both the colors together very nicely. So I'm gonna apply this color on all over my eyelid. So now she has a very nice smoky eyeliner. So I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna draw eyeliner with it, और उसको मैं थोड़ा सा smudge कर लूँगी. You can also take your normal eyeliner. So she has a very beautiful nude eyeliner on her lower lash line. So I'm gonna take this one by pack. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna repeat the same on my this eye and wear my false eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my eyelashes on. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with this same highlighter. And for lipstick, she has a very beautiful nudie pink lipstick. So I am gonna apply this lip liner. This is a very gorgeous color. I don't know which brand this is. I just received this in a subscription box and I don't honestly know the brand name. So now I'm gonna wear my outfit and I'll be right back. So this is the final look, you guys, and I really hope that you guys like this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok account, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.